Welcome to Mario videos.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. I am Gabby, also known as Be Naturally Glam, and
my name is Mario. Welcome to the...
We have another Christmas vlog for you all.
Yes.
What are we doing today?
I don't know.
We are going to make an advent calendar. We're going to make our own, and it's going to be a what? What are we making?
We're making a Christmas tree.
A Christmas tree. So we're going to set up and we'll be right back. And I actually got all of the materials from Dollar Tree. Yes. I'm just going to prop it up here, but I will not put it on the board. I'm going to hang it up on the door so she can't get to it. And then I have just a gingerbread here that I'm just going to cut out as a tree trunk.
We have pumpkins.
Yep, that we're going to use as the Christmas ornament. And I'm going to use these little stickers as the pockets. And lastly,
we have candy.
Yes, her favorite candy is the Hershey Kisses. You excited?
Yeah.
And hopefully this will work, but we're going to use the tacky glue to put everything on the tree. So let's get started. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Let's get cracking.
Huh?
Let's get cracking, Mommy.
Let's get it cracking.
Yep.
Okay. If you decide to purchase one of these, they actually will make a cute activity. It's a felt ornament kit, so they have everything in here that you need to decorate it.
I'm so excited, Mommy.
Good job. High five. Both hands. High five.
Mommy, not that one.
Ooh. Cause of glue on my hands. Okay, well, high five. Awesome job. Good job. It's gonna be crammed up if I do all 12. I decided to add 1 through 8 since the stickers come 8 to a pack. And on day 8, I'll go and add 9 through 12 since they aren't in order anyway, and just arrange them however. All right, that looks a lot better.
Yep.
Guess what? Now it's time for what?
That.
Yes. Each day you're going to get 1 Hershey Kiss. 1. Okay?
Okay.
Starting tomorrow, you get how many?
2.
No.
Not 2.
Yeah, you're going to try and eat 2, but you get 1. So it's easier to just slide them in upside down.
Look at my tree. It's so beautiful.
It is beautiful. You did a great job.
Thank you for watching.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
You did a great job. High five, girl. You looked at my hand to make sure they were clean.